So let's look at text, adding text to your video. This video has a text right here, so I'm just going to move a bit to where it doesn't have text. If you see this text icon here, when you select it, you can, there are different so when you select it, just go to this text right here and select the text. So let's say hello. If you go to this icon here, you can format the text, you can choose borders, remove borders, add borders, you can, add different borders. You can even make it sharper, like reduce or increase the opacity. You can add shadow to your text, you can add glow. You see how it's glowing. You can add label, different labels. You can increase and reduce the opacity here. You can also change the text type, the font type here. And then when you come here, this is where you align your text. You can either make your text um, bigger or smaller. You can curve your text this way or that way. You can this one is to increase the line spacing, and this is to increase this, reduce and increase the space between the text. Okay, and this is to align it. If you check it, to align to the left. If you check it, to align to the right. If you check it, to align to the middle. You can see it change because this is just a single word, but when you have sentences, you'll be able to see how this works. You can also bolden your text. You can italics it. So this text cannot be bolden, so let me use this one and do that. So we can bolden it. Do you see it's bold? Can italic it, can underline it, can make it bigger. So that's what this tool is for. Right here is to animate your text. So there are different animations. You can either animate it to come in and animate it to go out. So if you want it to come in this way, just select any animation that you like. You can select different animation. If you want it to go out, okay, it came in this particular way, and you want to go out in a different way, you can select that. Then loop simply means how you want the text to be appearing on the screen. So it can be appearing like this, it's just going to be moving like that continuously, going to be moving like this, so you can come here to increase the speed or reduce the speed of how you want the text to loop. You can also do the same here. You can increase or reduce the speed of how you want it to loop. If you don't want it to loop, just come here and cancel that. If you don't want it to fly in, fly out, just cancel it as well. If you don't want it to go in, go out, just cancel it as well. So that's basically it for adding and animating text. So this is our text right here. You can go ahead. You can either click here to edit it and to bring out those options, or you can click here to edit it. All right. So let's go ahead and delete it. Now, if we want to add caption, you can auto generate caption. You can generate it from the video, or you can record. Let's say if you have a voiceover, you can record it and generate your caption. So if we click on start, it's going to ask you to either pay for, or you can watch an ad for a bit like 30 to 60 seconds, and it opens the feature for you to add caption. Okay, let's just try it. um Select caption, go to video, select the video, then click on free unlock. So let's see, watch an ad. Okay, right here they are saying our video is more than 1 minute, so the free unlock is for only 1 minute video. So let's go ahead and trim our video to make it shorter. So if you want to see how many minutes the video is, you can look down here. You see this is 38 seconds. This video is a total of 3 minutes. So let's just slide and let's be looking at this place until it gets to, let's make it get to okay, it's already 1 minute plus, so let's say to get to 56 seconds. So we're going to select the video, we're going to split it. Then this part of the video, we're going to delete it. We're going to also delete this one because we want everything to be 56 seconds. We're going to delete this as well. We're going to delete this as well. So we have this on our timeline. So if we select it, go to text, go to caption and start, we can now unlock the free trial. So let's go ahead and do that. So you see it's generating the caption right here. So just give it a little time to generate. So the caption has been generated. So you can see, let's play it and see if it's correct. The story unravels from the different points of view of four men: Donatus, Chidi, Osaho and Haruna. Do you see that the caption is quite is quite correct? So if there's a mistake in the caption, let's say the AI didn't generate it well or didn't pick your the words you say, you can select it, select the particular one and go to edit, then you can edit, the text from here. So you can edit it. When you're done, you select that, and yeah, you can just go next again if the AI tool also did not pronounce the word correctly here or did not depict if you did not translate the word correctly, you can go to edit as well and edit the caption. So that's a very simple and easy way to edit caption. You can also choose to change the text. Remember, if you go to text right here, you can either go to edit or go to this pencil tool right here. You can change the color of the text to what you want. You can change it to black. You can even add this to it. Do you see? Can add this to it as well. Check it right now, you see that it has been applied to everything. So it's going to be applied to all the captions. So you can always go back, edit it. You can even change the font type to whatever you want. You can change it and just check it, and it's going to automatically apply it to all the text you have, all the caption. So yeah, that's pretty much it.